Alrighty, here's a video of this outboard. The outboard is about 90% completed. This is my electric conversion. It's in a tank of water. I've got a battery pack that I picked up from eBay. This is one of those Interdel packs. The company went out of business, and you see a whole bunch of these on eBay. More about this pack later, but let me show you how I set up this outboard. Throttle is set up. Basically, it's the bicycle handle. The bicycle handle actually slid on top of a half-inch PEX pipe. The PEX pipe is slid on top of a piece of aluminum, and you can kind of see there's a set screw here and there's a set screw here. Slid right on, clamped it. Wires go in from the outside. Looks pretty normal. I have a low, high, medium. I'm going to replace this with a low and high only. This will be a switch for trolling. Eventually I'm going to have a potentiometer here, so I can just, instead of using the throttle, a potentiometer will allow me to troll. But to give you a demonstration of what this does at low power, I will give you a demo of what the amperage is. See if I can two-wheel this. So, let's see. That's a fluke. And right now it's just pulling 0.3 amps sitting at idle. Now mind you, this is on low. Pulling her about 13 amps. I'll give you a demonstration of medium power. I'll just flip the switch to medium and watch the water turn. I'm not even going to run this on high. This will be running on low and medium. I've got a fan here to kind of keep the air inside moving. I'll give you what it looks like finished. Motor mounted, controllers mounted back here. Wiring pretty simple. I put a piece of foam down there because FYI, when you drop something in there, you got to take the whole thing apart again. So that foam just kind of keeps crap from falling in the gear case. This came out better than I thought. I've pulled a maximum of 34 watts out of that battery, which is 1600 watts total. This thing should blow away the Avatar and all the other motors you see online. The next video of it will be on an on-water test.